Hey everyone. I recently faced a frustrating situation with my car where it suddenly shut off while driving, refusing to go into gear. After towing it to a location, I discovered a no communication with TCM error during a scan, even after replacing the entire DSG-DQ tow with a new TCM. My car still wouldn't function due to a lack of programming with the chassis. Here is a DIY fix for TCM communication issue. 1. Locate TCM on mechatronic unit. Find the black part housing the electronic board and wires. To access TCM circuit board, use a Torx screwdriver. 2. Uncover the circuit board beneath the aluminum cover. 3. Inspect wires. Check the gel-like substance and find wires on the circuit board. Gently test each wire's connectivity with tweezers. 4. Identify and fix broken wires. If any wires are broken, use aluminum solder or laser spot welding to reattach them to the solder points. Five. Reassemble TCM. Securely put back the aluminum cover, ensuring all wires are properly connected. 6. Test and drive. Reinstall the TCM on the mechatronic unit, and test your car to ensure smooth operation. Note for TCM replacement. If you've replaced the TCM, an essential step is copying the settings from the old one to match your car's computer or chassis. To achieve this, consider acquiring the following tools. TCM Flash Tool 67 in 1 Electrics Open Port 2.0 Godieg GT107. Additionally, ensure you have a power supply of 12 volts to 14 volts, either through a battery or an AC adapter not included with the tools. These tools, available on AliExpress, offer a cost-effective solution for copying your TCM on a budget. As a bonus, investing in the VUZ 6154A is recommended for VW and Audi diagnostics. Don't forget to use a Windows laptop for this process. Happy repairing! If you find this information helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and feel free to reach out with any questions.